In this video I am going to teach you how to fix a keyboard in a laptop. So basically I have a keyboard and this is the outer structure of the laptop when the keyboard is absent. We have three chips over here. This is the first chip, this is the second chip, and this is the third chip. This is a lock basically, and these are the markings over which the keyboard has to be fixed. So first open the lock, pierce this into the lock, and then close the lock. Then place this keyboard into the markings and press it properly. In this way, one can fix a keyboard in a laptop. Thank you.